Having multiple streams of revenue is really important as a salon owner because stylists come and go. And, there are so many ups and downs in our business that having that extra source of revenue, I feel like can definitely be beneficial and really just kind of save your life at times. Hello and welcome to the Elevate podcast. I'm your host, Patricia Nowakowski. I'm a salon owner, educator, mindset, and leadership coach that helps salon owners go from overwhelmed and burnt out to motivated and empowered. It is my mission to help you systemize your business, generate more profit, and create a career that you love. Join us every week to learn about the small shifts you can make to elevate your business regarding mindset, marketing, social media, business systems, and so much more. Welcome to the Elevate podcast. On today's episode, we are back with Sheli Dodaro Hernandez, and we're going to chat all things in regards to building a successful business in our industry that do not have to do with owning a salon.
Hello, everyone. My name is Sheli Dodaro Hernandez. I am a commissioned salon owner in the south suburbs of Chicago. I am a coach for Destroy the Hairdresser, and I have an independent education company called Clean Beauty Pro. And I love this. I'm so excited to talk about this today, Patricia.
Yeah, this is one thing that I really try to work on with my students because I feel like having multiple streams of revenue is really important as a salon owner because stylists come and go. And, there are so many ups and downs in our business that having that extra source of revenue, I feel like can definitely be beneficial and really just kind of save your life at times. Sheli and I both coach for Destroy the Hairdresser. So that is one form of revenue that we have that is not coming into the salon through clients. I also have rentals that I rent out. And Sheli, you and I are both creating our own education, which will be another source of revenue for us as salon owners.
Yes. I feel that 20 years ago, the path of the hairdresser was someone that didn't want to go to college, really didn't know what to do. This is what society thought, you go to beauty school, become a commissioned stylist, you work your ass off, you grow your clientele. Then the only thing next to do if you wanted growth would be to open your own salon. And today, that's just simply not the case anymore. Today, there's so many options with social media. The options are limitless of what you can create in the salon world as a beauty professional. One of the things that I encourage my students who are all hairstylists to do is to create their own brand of a tool or product that they use in the salon every day.
I am so excited to announce that we just opened our brand new program, the Elevated Salon Owner Collective, to beta testers. If you want to build a salon that makes you feel fulfilled, passionate, while bringing you freedom and flexibility to your life, the collective is for you. This is the best time to join because we have some special bonuses, and when you join as a beta tester, you get to join the collective for $300 off. We're only allowing 20 motivated salon owners to join, so visit opulentbeautypro.com/join the collective to join the waitlist to have your best year yet.
So having their own brand of something, purchasing in a bulk, creating it, will ultimately save them money in the long run. So for hair extensions, coming out with your own hair extension line can save you thousands, tens of thousands of dollars.
Creating your own tool line is a great thing. Creating your own extension line is an amazing way to become successful. Creating your own product line. Sheli, do you want to talk a little bit about that process since you process but did not finish?
Product line. So for me, I started creating my own product line right during the start of the COVID craziness with COVID shutdowns and everything. So my project really did get put on hold, and it got pushed back so much that I did has to decide how much energy do I want to put into this. And right now I want to grow my brand and awareness of my salon. I will come back to creating my own product. That is a large project. So you have to be able to have the time and the resources to truly invest into growing your own product line. Now, we're not talking white label where you can contact a lab and they can just add some essential oils or ingredients to a product to really make it uniquely your own. I'm talking about my own formulation, working with a chemist, coming up with my own formulation unique to my product and like specifically for me and my line.
So I think another thing to really think about is independent education as a hairstylist. I think that's a great way, or coaching. These are two things that I'm super passionate about, and it's a great way to really set yourself apart. And it's a great way to really create a really successful business for yourself, other than going independent or opening a salon.
I love that you brought this up. If you are working in the right salon, in the right space, whether it is a collective of independent artists or a commission salon, being an independent educator can really be a fruitful endeavor for yourself. We'll never not need education. Everyone's always going to need education.
I think even like being a mentor, I literally am blown away by these beautiful stylists that are on Instagram, literally making tens of thousands of dollars just through a private Instagram page.
Yeah, it's amazing.
And all they're doing is sharing their knowledge via social media. So there are so many capabilities and so many options.
I think it's finding your niche too, and really taking that to the bank.
And I think having, when you're going to be an independent educator, like having that servant mindset, like how can you help people? What problems can you solve? And really making it about them and not about you. And really, you have to have that ability to really have a servant heart.
The act of servitude, to be in service.
Yeah. The act of servitude to really be successful.
Even like photographer classes, becoming an expert. I guess it's becoming an expert in what you're passionate about that can really take you to the next level, and how you can monetize that for yourself. It's seeing the gaps in the industry, right?
Mm-hmm. Finding the gaps and filling the holes.
Finding the gaps and filling those holes. That's how I started Clean Beauty. I saw a gap.
Thank you so much for listening to the Elevate podcast. And thank you, Sheli Dodaro Hernandez, for being a guest today.
It's always a pleasure, Patricia.
Tell people where they can find you.
You can find me on Instagram at Sheli, SHELIDODARO Hernandez, HERNANDEZ, or the Clean Beauty Boutique, or Clean Beauty Pro.